Hi, shining stars. Rawr. So, I wanted to make some sushi, some weird sushi today. I kind of forgot to show you the vegetables I was using before actually air frying them. Because today, there's my paleo in the background, finding her little sleepy spot. Anyways, today I decided to make some air fried Brussels sprouts, broccoli, bell peppers, and potatoes. More specifically, yellow potatoes. But you know. Anyways, so yeah, I tossed them in a little bit of oil and I air fried them. The broccoli I put in too long. It burnt, so I'm not going to be using that. Instead, I'm just going to be using the Brussels sprouts, bell peppers, and potatoes. So, let's go make the sushi. Ah, rawr. So as you can see, some of the ingredients were a little overcooked, over air fried, a little bit of burnt. But that's, I like them when they're a little crispy. Anyways, so here they are. Over here I got the bell peppers, over here I got the Brussels sprouts, and over here I got the potatoes. You know, bell peppers, they're a pretty common ingredient in sushi, so they're probably going to be fine. Brussels sprouts, I actually kind of like the taste of Brussels sprouts, so I think they're also going to be fine. The potatoes, however, they're going to be a weird texture, I think. But there's only one way to find out, I think. So, let's move my keyboard. Put my soy sauce dip over here. Get my fancy stainless steel chopsticks. And I guess, well, let's try bell pepper first. Let's find a really nice one. Okay, so this is a bell pepper, air fried. It looks pretty nice. I'll put the pretty side on top. Dip it in some soy sauce. And one of the bell peppers fell out. I'm gonna pick it out of that soy sauce. There, put it back in the sushi. Okay. Geez, I love soy sauce. Anyways, so here we go. And I'm gonna mute my mic so you don't hear me chewing. Alright, I'm gonna be pretty honest. I pretty much only tasted the nori, the rice, and the soy sauce. I think air frying bell peppers pretty much eliminates their nice sweet flavor. So I'm not going to be air frying peppers anymore. I thought it might have been a fun idea, but apparently not, because I could not taste the peppers in there. So I'm going to give that a low rating for lack of flavor. Unless, of course, you just like sushi plain, which I sometimes do. So here is a Brussels sprout one. Air-fried Brussels sprouts. Dip it in some soy sauce. Let's not add too much soy sauce this time. So, here we go. Brussels sprout. And I'm going to mute my mic again. That was delicious. Air-fried Brussels sprouts are definitely one of my favorite things to air fry. And in sushi, with a little bit of soy sauce, that was really good. You know, obviously you have that little bit of, I guess, bitterness or something from the Brussels sprouts, because you kind of need salt on Brussels sprouts, which comes from the soy sauce. So, air-fried Brussels sprouts, you get a thumbs up, definitely. Let's pick a nice potato one. Potato. Yep, this one looks good. Air-fried baby potatoes. Dip it in some soy sauce. I don't think soy sauce will go well with potato, but let's find out. I'm muting my mic again. You don't want to hear me doing. So yeah, potato with nori, no. Potato with soy sauce, no. Potato with rice, maybe. But air-fried potato, I tend to eat on its own with a nice hot sauce dip. You know, like spicy mayo or something. No, I am not going to put potatoes or air-fried potatoes in sushi ever again. It's not horrible, but it's not good. So, those were my three. Sorry that my broccoli got too burnt to be edible. Actually, I am disappointed about that. I think the broccoli and the Brussels sprouts would have been nice together. Oh well. So, I hope you liked the video, and I hope you make yourself some sushi, because it is a fun thing to make and a delicious thing, and it's low in calories. Unless, of course, you put tempura in it. Tempura stuff like tempura yam, tempura mushroom, tempura broccoli. Anything that's fried. That'll raise the calories some. But, whatever. So, don't forget that you are a shining star, and to hug a femboy today and make some sushi today as well. Bye-bye.